Hello friends, welcome to the Villa Chefs. Today we are going to make Amla Achaar or Gooseberry Pickle. Take half a kilogram of amla and wash it well. Keep it aside. Wash and slit 150 grams of green chilies without detaching them from the end. You may increase the quantity of the chili if you like your achar to be spicy. Similarly, wash and finely slice 150 grams of ginger. Boil water in a pan. Add the amla to the pot of boiling water and allow it to come back to a boil. Let this boil for a maximum of 2 minutes so as not to destroy the benefits of vitamin C in it. Drain and cool the amla. Once the amla is cooled, cut along the white lines of the amla and remove the seed as shown. Mix salt and turmeric to the amla, ginger and chilies. Keep this covered and allow it to rest for 2 to 3 days to allow the water in it to evaporate. The number of days will depend on the temperature in your room. It took me 2 days at 27 degrees centigrade. During this process, if possible, keep this out in the open sunlight for 1 to 2 hours to allow better drying, but not more than 2 hours. After 2 days, we are ready to finish the amla pickle. Roast and coarsely grind the spices fennel, fenugreek, mustard and cumin. Separately roast turmeric and chili powder. Mix the roasted and ground spice mix with the turmeric, chili and salt. Spread this mix into a wide pan and keep aside. Now heat 100 milliliters of mustard oil to a smoking point. Once the oil reaches the smoking point, take it off the gas and pour this oil into the roasted mix and stir well. Taste this mixture one last time and if required, adjust the salt accordingly. Now add the amla, ginger and chili into this oil and spice mix and stir it well. The Amla Achaar is ready to be bottled. The Amla Achaar should be good to eat after about 7 days. You can find the full list of ingredients and method in the description box below. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue to bring you easy and simple dishes from the world over. Signing out, the Villa Chef.